how to put star on messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to put star on messages on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then select any message you want here, and then just hold on the message, and then here we'll find it star. Just click on it, and that's it. As you see, the message have been started, and let's start another message. Just hold on it and click here, this star icon, and that's it. As you see, it's easy, and that's how to start a message. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.